guys. So, Blind Views, another great Pennsylvania channel about an hour south of me, tagged me in this 10-question pandemic question and answer thing that's going around. Thank you, Blind Views. Thank you so much. But I'll play along. So I'm going to answer these 10 questions and maybe throw a few more people under the bus that they can answer it. So I'll play along. The first question was, how many rolls of toilet paper do you have at this moment? I don't know, lots. We get it on sale when it's at Costco, and or if Amazon has a special on it, and we had just stocked up in January before all this happened, so yeah, we're good for quite a while. That was very fortuitous, actually. What has been the biggest change since the lockdown? You know, for us, not a lot. I mean, probably I would say the biggest thing is, like when I would come off night shift and I was really tired, would be the one or two couple times a month that we would go out to eat, and we're not doing that. So, you know, I've cooked the whole time. I think we've gotten takeout twice now, and that's it. You know, I've cooked the rest of the time, and so that's probably the biggest change. We were pretty much, I was either home or working anyway. Mike's home, and yeah, we're not social butterflies. So that's probably the biggest thing that has changed for us. Where are you currently parked or docked? Well, my butt's currently parked at home. Camper's up at my mom's where we camp up there, but yeah, for now I'm home. What have you gone without recently? Haircut, color, stuff like that. But really, you know, the important stuff, we haven't gone without anything. We were so fortunate. We don't consider ourselves preppers, so to speak, but we both grew up in basically in farm families where you prepared, and so we always have stuff on hand. I keep a well-stocked larder. Our freezer was full, my pantry was full, so we're good. What are you most grateful for? I'm grateful that I still have an essential job. I'm grateful that I have a great family and that we're all healthy and that we have the basics. We're really blessed compared to some people in this, and we know it. How long has it been since you've been at a campsite? I was up at our campsite April 13th. That was the last I was at the campsite. So won't be able to, and that was just a quick check on things. That wasn't to do anything. What's your favorite quarantine food? I don't know, I'm making everything like I always did, so whatever I want. How are you exercising, doing workouts? I have a farm. I get my workout between doing chores, and that's all up and downhill, and so yeah, just doing my regular stuff. Nothing's really changed for me. Who are you challenging next? I gotta think about that. And what was or will be your pandemic panic purchase? We really didn't have anything. You know, like I said, we were in good shape. We didn't do any of that, so I didn't buy anything. I just stayed home. Worked on stuff here and worked on cleaning out my walk-in closet that I hadn't been able to walk in for 3 years. So yeah, there's that. It's trying to, there's like little showers coming through. It's trying to rain. It's been so cold here the past few nights. It was down to 27. I think it zapped my lilacs. I'm worried about the orchards up the road because the apple trees are in bloom. I took in all my Mike actually took in all my transplants and stuff because I had peppers and tomatoes and squash and lettuce, and so I took all that in to save that, and it's not supposed to warm up until after Tuesday. So how about Bones Yard and Calvin's Corner and Booger 500 US, Bill Gowdy if he didn't get tagged and wants to play, and I'll also tag my friend Native Tears, D at Native Tears. So those are my 5. If they want to play, great. If not, But I thought I'd answer just for fun. So we'll see what else I get out there this week. My hummingbirds are back. I'm so happy my hummingbirds are back. I enjoy watching them so much. They're so much fun. And I'm pretty sure that the babies that we had, the 3 babies that were here, born here last year, are back, because some are just passing through going north, but then some are sticking around, and 3 of them, I had 2 females and a male born here last year, and those 3, there were several, and the other ones act kind of skittish, but those 3, and it's 2 females and a male, are all around us in my arms and stuff, so they're very tame, so I'm guessing that they might be the babies that were born here that are back. Either way, I'm thrilled they're back and looking forward to watching their antics all summer like I usually do. So hopefully after Tuesday the rest of this cold weather will be gone and I can get to serious gardening, because otherwise, we even had snow. We had sleet and snow the other day, middle of May. I'm over it. What'll probably happen is it'll turn to instant hot overnight, and I'm not ready for that either. I just wanted spring and nice mellow temperatures. So anyhow, those are my answers to the 10 pandemic questions. Like I said, I was tagged by Blind Views. If you don't know Blind Views, check him out. He has a cool channel. He has a really nice Thursday live stream that's always a lot of fun. He has some good rants. Keeps track of the RV and travel community. And some cooking folks are in there. And, well, you probably know quite a few of them yourself already. So if you don't, check them out. Check out the channels that I tagged. I'll include their links below. And I'll see you later this week. Yeah, I'm cooking up some more stuff.